Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart, what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall of gold, and that is, you can see, after making a high of around 2071, and from there we have seen that it is continuously coming down, but it is coming in a particular zone in a descending way, okay, with a low, you can say, made a support at around $1681, okay, and this $1681, you have to understand, has been tested here twice, so it is a weak support. Keep this in mind. And before that, what we have seen, a support of around 1717 is also a weak support. So if the price comes close to this level, then we can see it can fall further down. So now it is trading at around 1735. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, there is a higher probability we can see it can touch a level of $1725, okay, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1717, okay. Once the price fall below this level, 1770 is again a weak support, so probability is very high we can see it can fall further low and can touch a level of around $1701. Once the price fall below 1701, then we can see it can touch its low of around $1681, and which is a support which is already being a weak support, so probability will be very high we can see it can fall further down and can touch a level of around 1688, and from there we can see it can fall further, okay. Now if you look at this particular chart, what you can see, if you look at this particular chart, suppose if this level sustain, we can see there is a resistance coming at around $1747. Suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can form a resistance at $1747, and if that also sustain, a probability is high we can see it can form a next resistance coming at around 1778, okay. And once the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1808, and once it sustain this level, then it can come in this particular zone, and we can see a trend will change towards an upside, so probability is high. If it sustain above this level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around 1835 and then further high. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, okay. Thank you. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.